Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 22nd of January and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. And all of those children have been working really hard throughout this week, whether that be at home or at school. It is amazing to see the work that's going on either on Class Dojo or on Shobi. So please do keep it up, guys. It's very impressive and thank you so much from Mr. Allen, because it's lovely to see that learning continuing and very, very encouraging. So well done, and well done to all our Golden Ticket winners this morning. We're going to kick off in year 3, Mr. Ackerman's class. We have this child who's worked hard and now has a great work ethic. She tries hard to better herself and improve as a learner. She's incredibly helpful and likes to help others to overcome problems. She's eager to impress and never gives up. She really doesn't. Well done, Heather Rose! There she is. Well done, Heather Rose, you superstar. There she is, a star worker. Well done, hon. Really well deserved. Be able to take this home with you after school today. So really, really well done. Keep up that amazing work. And thank you for being so helpful. Hopefully you'll continue that at home as well. So really, really well done. Huge congratulations. Moving on to Miss White. Now Miss White says this child could have a golden ticket almost every week. I agree. We have told them that when they set such high standards, we are waiting for something really special. We've seen them that while they are working at home, we really have. They send every piece of work we ask for every day. They read every day and also play Timetable Rockstar and Spelling Shed daily. Really well done. What has really impressed us is how they read our feedback and have sent work again with improvements. You couldn't ask for any more. They really are trying to be the best they can be. Actually, they really are. They're amazing. It's Jakisha! Here she is. Look at this. Well done, Jakisha. Absolutely amazing, hon. The work that you're sending, the work that you are doing, the work you are doing at home, you are keeping that up. It is amazing. Really well done. Well deserved. Look out for this in the post. I am proud of you and keep up that amazing work. Well done, hon. Keep it up. Moving on. We've got Mr. Pinner says she's a fantastic worker and has made brilliant progress this year in her writing and reading. She's produced super work in maths and is always keen to support others in their work. She is a great talk partner. Her hard work is also showing in everything she is completing at home, where she continues to produce work that is beautifully presented. Superb. All of the adults in class agree that she deserves this award. So do I. Goes to Lena. Here's Lena, look. Well done, Lena. Honestly, that maths, absolutely amazing. But the work you're doing at home as well is just of high standard. So really well done. Look out for this in the post, Lena. I am proud of you. Big celebration, big round of applause, hopefully for you at home as well. So really well done, Lena, and keep it up. Well done. Moving on to Miss Barrett's class. And this child has completed every single lesson I've posted online. They've been staying active by going for family walks and keeping their mind active by reading every day. They respond to feedback to make their work even better, and everything is presented really neatly so it's easy for me to check it. I'm so impressed with the work they're doing at home, and I know they'll continue to make excellent progress if they keep this up, and I know they absolutely will. Golden ticket goes to Mia. There's Mia. Look, Mia Slatter. There she is. Look, superstar, big smiles. Previous golden ticket, here's another one. So that one's a 2020, here's a 2021 one. So well done, Mia, you absolute superstar. Keep up that amazing work at home. Keep helping out at home as well, because I know it's busy at home, so please do keep helping out and keep posting that work and keep working hard. So really well done. This will be coming in the post to you shortly. Moving on, we've got Miss Musselwhite says, our golden ticket goes to someone who, like so many children working at home, has absolutely carried on like they would have done at school, although we miss their good sense of humour in the classroom. We certainly do, and around about school. They're not just rushing through lessons and having a go, but making sure they understand the learning. Not only this, but they are then spending time on the other online platforms we use to practice their times tables and spelling shed. So Timetable Rockstar and Spelling Shed, so really well done. Like so many children, they could win a golden ticket every week. I agree. Our golden ticket winner goes to none other than Isabel. There she is. You superstar, Isabel. Well done, hun. Really well deserved. Keep up that amazing work at home. You are flying, so it's lovely to see. Look out for this. It's coming in the post. Proud of you. Big cheer at home, I know. So really well done, and keep up that amazing work. Thank you. Moving on. Miss Arthurton says this child has not only impressed me with their high quality and quantity of work they're producing at home, he's also impressed all the other adults in year 5, and Mr. Allen actually. The effort he is putting into his home learning and the work he's producing is outstanding. I agree. It is clear he really enjoys learning and wants to continue to develop his knowledge across all subjects. He truly is a shining example of what a golden ticket winner is, a role model for others to follow. Do copy him, copy this boy, because they're absolutely right. If you copy him, who knows, you could win a golden ticket. Our golden ticket winner goes to Ashton. Here he is. Look at this. Look at the work he's doing at home as well. Ashton, it is amazing. Keep it up, buddy. Thank you. Well deserved. Coming in the post. Hopefully you'll get it today. Look out for it, buddy. Really, really well deserved. Big cheer, obviously, for you at home as well. So well done, buddy. Proud of you. Keep it up. Thank you. Moving on to Year 6. Mr. Davidson said this week's winner is a child who has thoroughly impressed the Year 6 team since the beginning of term. He really has. This child has consistently completed all lessons and appears to be putting maximum effort into everything they've been asked to do. He certainly is. I do hope this child continues to apply himself in this way when he returns to school as well, because what he's doing at home is phenomenal. So really well done. Huge congratulations to Nikolai. There he is. Look, well done, Nikolai. Amazing, buddy. Keep up that amazing work. Keep up the amazing work on Shobi. Time 7 Rockstar, Spanish. Keep it up, buddy. Look out for this in the post. Big congratulations to you. Absolute superstar. Well done. Keep it up. Thank you. Finally, Miss Percy says, a golden ticket in 6JP this week is awarded someone who has shown an incredibly positive attitude to their work so far this term. And actually being positive this time of the year is vital. And it is amazing. So let's keep positive, everyone. Come on. They take pride over their work, which is always incredibly neat, and they act quickly and thoughtfully on feedback they are given. They've worked purposely since being back in school, but have also kept a smile on their face. They certainly have. Very big well done to Scarlett. Here's Scarlett Brighton. Look at that. Well done, Scarlett. Absolute superstar. Really, really well deserved. Take this home with you when you go home on Friday. So proud of you, hon. Keep it up. Keep smiling. Keep positive. But keep working as hard as you possibly can. It's really showing up as well. Brilliant. So well done. Thank you. Finally, well done, obviously, to all of our golden ticket winners. Really well done. If it's not you, look out for the shout-out assembly as well. Look on there, because maybe someone on that shout-out assembly will win the golden ticket next week. So please keep posting all of that work. Keep doing as much as you possibly can at home, because I know full well those shout-out children will eventually then be winning the golden tickets as well. So really, really well done. My final message, as always, stay home, protect Mile Cross. Let's help keep everyone safe, guys. Please. Let's keep doing this. Let's keep doing this for the long term. We'll keep supporting you. You know where we are. Come and see us, email, ring us, however that is. Same with your teachers as well. Please, guys, keep in touch and let's keep supporting each other through this very difficult time. Until next week, bye-bye.